All right, what's up everybody? So July 4th weekend, we decided to come out here to Long Beach. You know, in real estate, sometimes what happens is, you know, you start to do the same thing over and over. It just becomes the monotony of things. However, I had a bunch of showings this weekend, but the good news is that because we have a team in place, we have systems and process in place, one of my agents are able to show all the properties. Joey's showing a couple $1 million homes as we speak. But anyway, my point that I'm saying is that you're starting to do more and more deals, you're getting more business. This is the only way to scale to make that 7 figures. You have to have systems and processes in place, and you have to have the right team, staff, and all that in place, okay? This is the most important thing, because this right here allows me to do what I'm doing right now, where I'm able to take off, take a break, but also still make money at the same time. That being said, we do have a course online, and I would highly recommend you check out the link in the description, because I'm going to show you exactly how we are able to make 7 figures and live this kind of lifestyle. So we're here at the harbor. As you can see, we got some beautiful boats. One thing that we're gonna do is try to go on this boat cruise. I think the boat cruise is at 3:30. Then we're gonna go have some lunch. Oh, look at that boat right there. So it looks like it's $19 per adult. This is the boat that we're gonna be going on. We're gonna tour the harbor. Look at this. All right, so we just got our tickets for 3 o'clock, and we're probably gonna go get something to eat, kind of hang out, and enjoy the atmosphere. So this is a 1-hour cruise, and apparently up in the front it gets a little bit chilly, which is, it is a little bit cold right now, but we get to probably see everything on this side, because when we go up this way, so this is probably the best side. All right, we're taking off. So right back of me, this is actually the Queen Marriott, and they also have a museum. Oh, Queen Mary. So that's the Catalina Island Express, which takes you out to Catalina Island, which I've never gone before. I think that's the next mission. It's only $85 per person. All right, we decided to come inside because outside it's getting a little bit cold, like they were saying. All right, boat's rocking. It's rocking like crazy. So we're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna check it out, see what we have. So right, that one is full. This one right here is empty. As you can see, the lines here, the boat is raised up. Once it's full, oil is dropped. All right, we actually came down here because it was nice and cool, and outside was literally cold. So now we're just chilling. We're about to dock right now. $20, I think it is worth it. It's about an hour trip. So you guys ever come down here to Long Beach, this is something you guys need to try. Now we're gonna move on to our next adventure. Oh, look at this, it's $30 1 hour. Wow, this is the line for the rental. Crazy. Oh, so this is it, huh? All right, guys, we are off. What do you think about this, babe?
It's cool, except I'm a little too short.
Oh, matter of fact, I just got a call from another commercial agent. I'm trying to do business with him. He's trying to help me find an apartment complex. However, he actually sent me over a referral from one of his clients out in California. They're looking to do a 1031 exchange for a 1.5. They're trying to buy at least 4 condo units But the point that I'm trying to make here is that relationships is a big deal, and the more hard work that you put out there and people see that and other agents see this, you do get tons of referrals from other agents. And this is a commercial agent, and what was cool about it was he was like, I don't even want a commission, right? Just make sure they're being taken care of. Also, another thing, if you have a property, like especially out in Hawaii, now we partnered up with a company out in Hawaii. Now we're starting to sell homes out in Hawaii. So if you guys are looking to transfer, you know, out here to Vegas from Hawaii, and you guys have a house that you need to sell, you know, give me a call, because it's important how we do the deal together, especially if we're doing a contingent upon a sale, especially out in Hawaii. So it's just a lot easier when I'm working with my team out in Hawaii. You know, we can facilitate the transaction and make it very easy and streamlined, especially when we're trying to transition from one home to another. So keep that in mind as well. Alright, so Jessica and I decided to drive up to the coastline, or up the coastline, and we're stopping by Huntington Beach, and it's probably about like maybe 5:30, 6 o'clock, but man, it is getting cold out here, and we don't have any sweaters, so we're gonna go probably get some sweaters. And at the pier for 4th of July, there's a lot of things that is going on right now. They have like a bunch of booths, and what's that called? It's not a carnival.
Oh yeah, it's like a fair.
Yeah, a fair. So there's like a fair with a bunch of rides and stuff, so we're gonna go check that out and some games. Can't believe how many people are out here. I mean, there's like thousands. That's where we need to go, over there. But I can tell you the vibe, Huntington Beach versus Long Beach, I think I like Long Beach a lot better. What are your thoughts, guys? Long Beach or here? You got the move. Huntington Beach Surf Sports. What is that? Val, you want to shave ice? Alright, so I decided to get some candles, some sex waxes. They smell really good. And Jessica got some car scents. And there's actually a skateboard I was thinking about getting, but I'm too old to be skateboarding. What happens if I break my leg? But I think it's kind of cool as far as like a souvenir.
I like that one.
Alright, you guys, let me know in the comments below which
I'm
ones I
not
should
really.
get.
They're both nice, but I just like the black better because that's what I like. But the other one does stand out more.
To maybe get a Huntington sticker on here. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool. I don't know. Let me know in the comments which one I should get. Alright, I think I found the board. State lifeguard. Kind of comfortable. Alright, we got the 2 sweaters, and it's freezing. It's still cold out here. Look how beautiful it is though. Also, I got the board. As soon as I walked out, some guy was like, man, you need to break that shit in. I was like, nah, I'm using this as a souvenir. I'm not riding it. Man, this skateboard is the best thing ever. 30 bucks, believe it or not. And it rides very well. Feel like I'm just cruising, I'm hanging out. Just enjoying my life, baby.